Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video as a weekly recap as the week ended today. Well, not today, yesterday, Friday. Right now, today is 5 a.m. So let's get started. The trades taken, and I'm going to show at the end of the video, I'm going to show the US dollar index and its route and what to expect. US dollar index covers 7 pairs, USD pairs. All right, so let's see. On the 23rd, the trading start. There was 22nd, I guess, but no trade. So on the 23rd, this is the first one, Euro USD, and it is because of the USD weakness, which I will show you at the end of the video. US dollar index charts. Okay, so Euro USD 20-minute long here for 130 pip. On the 23rd, and here Euro Aussie on the 23rd, again buy order. You can see the entry here, and SL and entry. This is where the setup is, and entry was, and it's gone 75 pip to the upside. So, and Euro was getting strong as well, so Euro pair went up. USD yen, USD weakness, like I said, 4 pairs would go up, 3 will go down with the USD weakness. So USD yen to the downside here, 70 pip. It was a lot more, but I couldn't close on time, so it retraced almost half of it, and then still 70 pip from here to here, the yellow line. That's 70 pip, not all the way here. Okay, Eurocad, like I said, the CAD was getting strong, so all CAD, not CAD, European went up as well. So this is Eurocad here, 85 pip. Entry is here by the book. This was an entry as well. This was an entry. This is the entry. See that? But I didn't take this one because I was already in. Like I said, that I was a little late closing my trades, and they retraced on me. The USD yen, you saw it, and then this one also, you see, came back down. This is on the 24th. Here, the gold chart, this is the entry by the book. This was the entry, beautiful entry. I didn't take it, but this is the one taken. And this was also the entry. This system gives you so many entries if you play accordingly, properly with the rules. On the 24th, that's what the gold is. Pound Aussie on the 25th, 90 pip here after dropping, and then start to go up. Went up, buy orders here. Pound Newsy, this is because pound getting strong. You get the idea, right? I have all the trades of the same currency alongside, right? So Pound Newsy went up as well, exactly the same way, and I got the entry 105 on the 25th. On the 26th, pound USD, see, pound, got it. And pound USD, not only because of the pound, but also the weakness in USD. Euro USD went up, pound USD went up, USD yen went down, something like that. So buy order here, buy order nicely, and 70 pip here on the 26th. Then Euro USD, again, this is the one I just showed you, the first trade I showed you, this one for 130 pip, and then this one again after dropping here, and then nice, beautiful 70 pip again on the 26th. It's because of the USD weakness. And then pound, again, pound yen on the 26th, 60 pip, not much. We start wobbling here because not only pound was getting strong, but also yen is thinking about getting strong. It's thinking about it, right? Not full gear right now, maybe next week. Be ready. On the 27th, this is the only one. Like I said, the yen not getting strong now. Yen is probably going to get weaker. Sorry, I just said just the opposite. Yen is probably going to get weaker next week. Okay, so Aussie yen went up for 75 pip. Now, US dollar index. Let me show you. You saw me. I had 1 pound USD long, 2 euro USD long, and 1 USD yen short, right? So when USD started getting weaker, then what happened is the 4 pairs, pound USD, euro USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD, they will go up. So I had 2 euro USD long and pound USD one trade long. And then the other three pairs, USD yen, USD franc, and USD CAD, will go down with the weakness in USD. USD franc, I don't trade. USD CAD, I didn't pay attention. I wasn't actually watching this week, that pair. So USD yen gave me this short and I took it. That's how it is. It's probably going to continue next week. So let me show you the US dollar index. This is the chart I made on the 7th May of this year, right? The first week, at the end of the first week, I said that US dollar index, it was here. So you see my yellow mark. So I said, first it's going to go up to 78%, hit that, and then it's going to drop here. But in between, I have this yellow mark here, and the highlighted number is 0698. I highlight this because the first target would be this, break that, and then we can come to this rising TM. So what happened to this chart as of today is this. You see that? It did exactly what I said. It went up from here and went up to the 78%, even above that, poked into it. And then from there on, boom, start dropping, right? It was on 26th, and even, we closed the market exactly below 0698. So powerfully coming to the downside, and that's the reason pound USD, euro USD, Aussie USD, and USD all went up, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen. So I had almost like four trades this week based on USD, 2 euro USD and 1 pound USD long and 1 USD yen short. The same way the next week is going to happen. Now, next week, yen index, by the way, is about to get weaker. If that happens, you have 7 yen pairs. They're all going to go up. They're all going to go up. Pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, New Zealand, CAD yen, franc yen, this yen, that yen, you yen, me yen, so everything. Right? When yen index going up, everything goes up. All the yen pairs. So be ready. You're going to have a lot of trades. That's the beauty of, about watching the index and follow the setup. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend. And like I said, that get ready for Monday based on the USD probably gonna get more. Maybe it will bounce a little bit and make like a short setup and then drop. So I'll be waiting for that. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.